Now, to generate the best pricing for your age, how old are you as of today?
61.
Well, I'm calling just to confirm a few pieces of information, and it'll only take a minute, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much for holding on the line. This is Max Williams, and I'm the product specialist here. How are you doing today?
I'm doing all right. How are you doing?
I'm great. Thanks for asking me the question. As you know that this call is regarding file expense on life insurance plan. We can provide some free quotes right now. As you did mention here, you are 61 years old. Is that correct?
Yes. Sorry, I smoke a lot. You were saying?